This is the National Museum of China. I love the museum, I'm very excited about this. It's a very big cow horn. There are so many people in here. They've got a spot at the skeleton. It's like the models they make when they're built in Disneyland. Lots of people seem to be excited about this. I don't know what it is. It's like a big pot. Look, Dennis, there's no one at this pot. Let's go. You'd make a decent bit of soup in that. Oh, it's an owl. People seem to be mesmerised by these big bronze things. Look at a horsey. I don't know what this is, but everyone wants to see it. It's absolutely insane. You wouldn't even get this many people at the Mona Lisa. Oh, look, I can read this. Dennis, it's a wine vessel. Imagine drinking that much wine, you'd be locked. It's a musical instrument. This is also a musical instrument, I think. These are some of the actual terracotta armour. 2 men and a horse. That's really cool though, isn't it? This horse looks really happy. What's that? It's a drum. A cowrie container. I must find out what a cowrie is. Are these the same army? I think this might be a different one. These are very cool. Dennis, that kind of looks like you. Ha, you! Seem very small people to live in that. Oh! Happy camel. It's so cool.
Don't think you fit on the shelf. Let's make the camels happy looking the ones. They all look happy. Let's second camel that looks happy.
Do you know who looks really happy is this man here? Look at him.
There's a lot of people around.
It's all really interesting. It's just really hard to get close enough to read anything. There's a queue of people. I don't know what this queue is for. I think there's people queuing to take a picture of a hat. So this is the Ming Dynasty. I know about these because they make lovely porcelain. Dennis, look, real Ming vases. That's lovely. That would look lovely in our spare room. My mother has something very similar to this. Stand in the stamp and I'll get a picture of it. Dennis, stand in the stamp. If you've seen any of our previous videos, you'll know that Dennis loves the gift shop.
You make that?
That one. How much is he in?
78 yen. Yen?
One.
One.
Just making up words there. That's a lot of vases. Vases, vases. I don't know what the word is. Vases. This is really cool. Some of the artwork is very communist. This is the flag they used for the inauguration of the People's Republic of China. That was very interesting. We're going to see role models of China, the Wax Museum collection. I'm hoping it's going to be like Madame Tussauds. I hope to have Jackie Chan. Is that Confucius? No. I'm not going to lie, I was expecting Jackie Chan and Bruce Lee, and it was just people who helped build China into the glorious country it is today. What is it? Is it a piece of the moon?
Oh, well, it's a re-entry capsule. Portugal.
Did that not go missing? What's this thing? It's like a zodiac thing. That's really cool. So that was the National Museum of China. The only thing about it was that it was so busy that we couldn't really see anything.